Okay, here's the cruising version of the Micro Scow. I just finalized it today. I know I keep saying this is the final version, but now I really mean it. I moved the cabin back out to the edge. Somebody suggested that I do that just to get more headroom on top of the beds. I enlarged this center hatch, so now you can take this hatch and you can slide it back. Yeah, let me just delete that. So you can stand inside, and then you can reach over and you can reef the front of the sail. I don't have the mast and the sail rig, but that's where the front mast is going, and this is a well for an anchor. And let me just do a sectional view here. So this kind of shows how that works. This is a slanted panel. This shows you the hole for the mast. And so yeah, you can stand right here and you can bend at the waist and reach over this way. Here's the inside. It has two beds. They're around between 20 and 22 inches wide. The top of the bed does overhang this rib, so you can actually enlarge it if you want. You can take this top panel and you can make it slightly wider, depending on how much you want in width. So on this version, the cruising version, I removed the center board, and I'm going to use dual leeboards on each side of the boat, and it's just going to open up this cabin. Let me do another section from a different angle. Alright, this is what it looks like from the ground up. So it looks like this. There's a lot of space under this area that you can open up for storage. You could make a big hatch here in the middle and put stuff in the floor. So this boat has a lot of interior space. Some people suggested that I, puncture walls in this bulkhead and extend the bed back that way. And then, maybe you add another bed across the front here horizontally, maybe for children or something. You could do that. I don't like that idea, because you do need one bulkhead to, if you don't have this bulkhead here, the entire cabin structure wants to collapse inward. So so like this has to have something supporting it. Yeah, so you really need this wall supports this panel right here. Otherwise, this whole thing wants to just collapse. It is showing a little break line, but this is actually one solid piece right here. This wall. Alright, there's the divider between the beds. In the middle of the bed, there's one divider, so that breaks the storage areas into two. The front could be light objects, and then the back could be anything on either side of the dagger board or the center boards is where you want all your weight. So if you have water and batteries and stuff like that, heavy objects goes under here. And that is about it. This is the hole for the mizzen. And you can use a standard windsurfing mast for the mizzen. So again, this hatch can be made to be one piece, or it can be made to be two pieces. If you make it to be two pieces, then you can stow either one or both of them away. If you make it one piece, you could still make it so that it can slide forward, and then you can pop your head up here to get to the front of the boat. And you can also then prop up. If you make it one piece, you can prop it up in the back end and leave it, like, in other words, put a pivot hinge through here and here, and it can pivot. The problem with that is then you'd have to remove the two pivot pins and slide it forward if you wanted to get to the front of the boat, or you can just step on the roof, either one. And there's the side view, and there is the bottom. There is the front. Let me do one more section. Alright. So I did lower the height of the cabin a couple inches. You can still sit up. It's just from there to there. Let's see, what is that? 33.68 inches. So you do kind of have to either lean backwards or lean forwards if you want to sit up. But you do have an extra 2 inches up in the middle. So if you put your head in the middle, you automatically add 2 1/4 inches. So so what you could do is, and if you prop up the hatch, then you have even more. So you could put a seat in between these two bunks, and then that's where you have maximum headroom. And that's about it.